let's go explore and have a little fun. Maybe we'll come back soon and do some gator hunting too. Can't pass out on that.
Rich sissies, is that what he said?
So that's gonna cost you another $1,000. We came out here with the goal of trying to test out the new Baja F-150. Yeah, we tested it. We tested it real good. Jason, cut to the shot of it stuck. Woo, buddy. We're out of the sand! All right, we got it out of the hole. Now we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna back out of here. The truck is broken. I got no more 4x4, a reservoir shock, everything is fucked. So 5 minutes of off-road for $5,000 worth of repair damage.